Hey everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please Paper Crafts, and I'm here in my craft room today with my dog Bella, and we have some sad news to share. I wasn't really sure how to do this, so I thought I would just create a short video and just share the news. But my dog LilyBelle has passed away. She passed away in March, and I just wasn't ready to talk about it, so we just waited until now to share the news with everyone. And yeah, we've just been really sad. And so yeah, Bella's been really quiet. She hasn't really been talking a whole lot. And yeah, we really miss LilyBelle a lot. I'm going to put some pictures here on the screen of LilyBelle. Y'all have seen her in many of my videos. And LilyBelle and Bella also had a YouTube channel where I posted a few of their videos if you want to go out and see some of their video clips. LilyBelle was such a sweet girl. She was so funny, and she was just a joy to have as a part of my life. She was 13 when she passed away, and Bella was her sister, so they were older. She was older. And she had kidney failure, and she'd been sick for a while, so we kind of were expecting it to happen. She passed away in her sleep, and so I woke up one morning and she had passed away in the middle of the night, and Bella was there with her. So yeah, it was really, it really broke my heart. But yeah, I think Bella's really sad. I think she really misses her, even though they didn't really get along. I don't think they really liked each other very much, but they're sisters and they've been together their whole lives. And so I think Bella's been really sad. And anyway, so I just wanted to let you guys know, and I hope y'all enjoy seeing the video. I think my favorite memory of LilyBelle is when she dressed up in her Easter outfit. I had the best video clip of her and Bella. I laughed so hard. It was one of the funniest video clips I've ever got of the two of them. And I'm going to put that video clip at the end of this video. So if you want to see that, stick around to the end. But I'm really going to miss her. And I just wanted to let you guys know that you won't be seeing LilyBelle in any of my videos coming up. But I'm going to continue to feature Bella in my upcoming videos as she, if I can. Bella has not been talking to me at all, so I'm hoping that she's going to start talking to me again, because she's such a sassy girl, but she's been super quiet here lately. Bella, do you want to say anything, baby? Do you want to say hi to the YouTube people, Bella? No? Okay, well, hopefully next time we take some video clips, she'll be talking again. Well, that's all we have for this video. We hope that you guys have an awesome weekend, and we hope to see you next time. Bye now. Hi, Miss LilyBelle, what you doing? Are you a bunny today? Hi, Miss LilyBelle. What you doing? What you doing, my bunny? Huh? Are you being a good girl? Is it Easter tomorrow? Are you going to be the bunny tomorrow? Hmm? You are. Let me see. What are you doing? Show them your bunny ears. Show them your bunny ears. See my bunny ears. Wait. Can you see? Whoops. LilyBelle, show them your bunny ears. Can you see? Look how cute you are. You're so adorable. You make the cutest little bunny. Are you my snuggle bunny? My honey bunny? You're a jumpy bunny. You're so cute. You're just adorable. Mama loves you. Are you going to be the Easter bunny tomorrow? And tell everybody Happy Easter? Yeah? Whoops. You see something outside. What you see, LilyBelle? LilyBelle, what you see? You are just too cute. You gonna say hi to the YouTube people? Lily! Come here, baby. LilyBelle. You ready for breakfast, LilyBelle? Is it breakfast time, Miss Bunny? Breakfast! You gonna bounce? I wanna see you bounce. You're a bunny rabbit. Can you bounce? No? Okay, let's go have breakfast. Come on, B. Breakfast time! Y'all ready? Can you sit? Oh, you are sitting. Okay, here it comes. Hi, girls. LilyBelle, are you a bunny today? Hi, Bella. Bella's upset because LilyBelle got a Easter bunny costume, but she didn't get one. She's gonna pout. LilyBelle, show us your ears. Can you show me your ears? You look so cute in your bunny outfit. Show everybody your ears. Let's see the ears. Come on. Show us your ears. Can you see? LilyBelle. Lily, come here. Lily. Uh-oh. She's gonna attack her. No fighting. You guys behave. Bella, what you doing? Okay then. Did that feel good? Are you gonna say hi to YouTube? No. She's jealous because LilyBelle got an outfit for Easter and she's a bunny. Are you a bunny? She's my honey bunny, my funny bunny, my snuggle bunny. She's all kinds of bunnies, huh? Yeah, you look so adorable. You look adorable. She's been wearing that. She won't let me take it off. It's so soft and so comfortable, huh? Bella, what you doing, Bella? Can you say something? You want to tell the people hi? Say hi. No? Bella, can you speak? Bella? Hello? Nope. She's mad at me. Bella, you don't like to get dressed up. If I got you a bunny outfit, you would be mad at me if I made you wear it. And now she's gonna pout because she didn't get one. Y'all are so funny. What are y'all doing? Y'all are being goofy. Goofy girls. I don't understand. I think she's mad at me, huh? Is she mad at me, LilyBelle? Yeah. Bella, you want me to go dig out one of your dresses? You can wear that. You could be a bee. You want to be a bee? Maybe Mom will go get the Halloween costume that she wore when she was a bee. You think that might make her happy? We'll have to give that a try because she's very upset today. Where'd you go? So we got a bunny. Are you a bunny bee? So we have a funny bunny. Where's Bella? Bella! Bella is a bee. Go out there where I can see you, sweetie. Bella, are you happy now? You got to be in a costume? You don't look happy. You don't look happy. She looks quite upset with me. Are you a bee? Bella, are you a bee? Miss Bee, you turned into a bee. Okay. If looks could kill, that one would be it. Hi, sweetie. Are you gonna say something? Can you say hi to the YouTube people? You wanted to wear a costume, didn't you? You look adorable. Oh no. Miss Bella, come here, baby. Come here. Bella, come here, sweetie. Where are you going? Uh-oh, you lost your headpiece. You look cuter without it, though. Whoops. I don't want to be in the picture. Are you a bee? Are you going to be a buzzy bee? Bella! You're like a little bee. You're buzzing everywhere. Hi, Miss Bella. Okay, you want me to take it off? You had it on for like 2 minutes. Are you ready for it to be off? Come here, I'll take it off. Bella, come here, I'll take it off. You don't want me to take it off? You want me to take it off. Oh. Are you all better? You forgive me? Are you happy now? Yeah? You happy? You thinking about it? Can you say hi? No. Still mad at me, huh? Okay, I don't know what to do to please you. LilyBelle, where'd you go? What are you doing over there? You silly little goose. You're a silly bunny. I think your sister's upset. She looks upset, doesn't she? Can't please everybody all the time, I guess. I really tried. I knew she wouldn't like to have a bunny outfit. But she seems to be unhappy either having one or not. LilyBelle, you're supposed to be saying Happy Easter. Can you say Happy Easter to everybody? No? Would you say Happy Easter if I give you a treat? Maybe? No? She's too interested in what's going on outside. Maybe. What you doing? Are you standing guard? Are you going to protect us? Yeah? LilyBelle, can you say hi? LilyBelle. You're just something else, girl. LilyBelle, can you say Happy Easter if I give you a treat? Would you say Happy Easter? Say Happy Easter? No, she's too busy. Okay, well, I guess I'll have to do it for you. So I just wanted to share this little video with you guys and wish you all a happy Easter. And I don't think we're going to get her attention anytime soon. Not even for treats, huh? You going to come over here and say hi? Nope. Okay, we'll see you later. Y'all have a happy day. Bye.